Yeah, let me see you got that black still? Word. I don't know. You should take us out there? I don't remember none of this. Okay. Word up. Yeah. We're in the day though. It's in the day right now. Oh yeah, I do remember this. Yeah, no doubt. Not coming here at night. Was it that? Was it those steps?
No. See, I couldn't see over here.
Okay.
Go out that way, I can't see that.
Okay. Word up. Oh, you motherfucker. Man. Was it down that way? Yeah, it was. Yeah. That it is.
Oh, trust me, man. When I come to places like this or whatever, my nigga ass know how to get back out.
Yo. Heading out of here to go to the airport. Yep. And dude, oh my fucking god, Blow. Oh my fucking god. Huh? Well, I threw down what I could. Shit, I mean, it was quick and fucking sketchy, but fuck it. It doesn't look whack. I mean. Yeah, hell yeah, I got pictures. I got videos, and I'm actually taking the videos and walking the fuck out of here.